In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable using cellular data for TV streaming from your iPhone device. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up your settings and there scroll all the way down until you find TV. And here at Streaming Options box you can enable Use Mobile Data option to actually using cellular data for TV streaming. Now you can hit Add Mobile Data to change mobile data streaming option from automatic to high quality, or you can left it automatic, and basically that's it. You have just enabled using mobile data for TV streaming, but be careful because using mobile data for streaming can take a lot of mobile data. Keep in mind that you can disable that option at any time that you want. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.